Nisagama pama gama gari sagama ma papa nira pama vasavane madhura Madhurasmaranam.
There was this child, to give you a small example of how he would teach in very simple terms so that everybody can understand, even a little child would understand. Very quickly he will do it. There was a child that came to ashram from outside India to have darshan of Guru Maharaj first time. And the parents and everybody were there. They all had lots of, fruits and whatnot to offer to him. And this child was also standing there, like sticking its head out, looking around. While they were all talking different things and saying, Guru Maharaj was also, is the way in which his attention is on everybody is amazing. Even if there's 1,000 people, he will be paying attention to all of them. When there's this huge gathering, and he's there and you're there, you're sitting there like every single day, he may not even acknowledge you, you may wonder, does he even know that I'm here? And then one day you decide not to show up, he will ask you, he will ask you, I didn't see you yesterday. That's who he is, he really does it. So all of the adults were giving this and talking to him and asking, and Guru Maharaj was also looking at this naughty little child, and the child was wearing a t-shirt. Something was written on it. Really nobody paid attention to us. I was standing right there. Slowly, Guru Maharaj started saying something, like in a soft voice, and then everybody calmed down and quietened down to listen to what he was saying. So he was saying, if father says no, ask mother. What is he saying? Then he pointed to the t-shirt. It was written on the t-shirt. It says, if father says no, ask mother. If mother says no, ask grandfather. If grandfather says no, then you have to turn back. It continues on the back side. It says, ask grandmother. And it says ... I guess the grandmother bought the t-shirt for the child. And then everybody understood that Guru Maharaj was only reading that. And then he said, can I add one more line? He told the child. He said, if grandmother says no, ask Krishna, he said. And he pointed to Premika Varadan and he said, if you ask him, he will give it to you. Will you ask him? Do you know how to ask him? I will teach you. Say, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. This is asking Krishna. So he said, if father says no, ask mother. Mother says no, ask grandfather. Grandfather says no, ask grandmother. And Guru Maharaj, if all say no, ask Krishna, he said. The child will always repeat it. Even to this day, it turned out to be the greatest teaching that got it connected to Nama. How beautiful, how simple, but profound, isn't it? He teaches like that. The most complicated things, he will just put it across to you in such simple manners. It will go deep within.